Hey y'all, my name is Autumn Martin and today I'm going to show you how to navigate the SmartFind Express website, which is what I use to find substitute teaching jobs. So the first thing I need to do is put in my user ID. So we'll click here and then we type in our user ID number and then I will put in my password. After that, I will press submit and it will take me to the home page. Here you will find substitute announcements, and then contact information for people that can help you and other trainings you need to take right here. So first, here's the home button, which if you press it, it'll obviously populate you back to the home page. Next is the schedule. So it's general. You could put on a temporary do not call. It'll give you different classifications, locations. You could put in unavailable dates and certifications. So here's what I use a lot, the available jobs button, and it'll take you to this page where you can put in dates. So I'll put in September 15th through September 30th, and then I'll press search. Here it'll populate all the open jobs. So right now there's nothing put into the system, so there's no jobs I can find. I could also try it again and put in like later dates, so I'll do October 31st. And it gives you a time frame to when you can search again. So once that ends, I'll press search. And it's loading and there are still no available jobs. But if there was an available job, they will pop up right here and I will be able to go into it, and there's like a details button I'll press and I can accept it or decline and give a reason why I'm declining the job. So here's the review assignments tab, where if I put in dates, so I'll put in until from September 15th to September 30th, and then I'll press search. Here's all the jobs that I already have scheduled. So here it'll show you the job number, the date, the location and the classification of the job, the employee that I'm in for, and the date, the work day. So it's a vacancy since I'm a roving sub, and so it just says vacancy because I'll just go around to different classrooms when teachers have meetings or stuff like that. And then here you can see that this is the teacher I will be subbing for, and this is the teacher I'll be subbing for. So here is where I can go and update the information on my profile. Here is a help button and here's the sign out button. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.